bands to
Ayan, ikakat na natin ang isa guys. Super laki. Sobrang laki po.
I developed models of the tide swell in the Hudson River to see if you responded to that.
Ayan
I
siya,
printed
oh.
out thousands and thousands of charts.
Ang laki guys,
applying
oh. Sobrang
lines and
laki.
circles, trying to find a way to dance with you so that my feet didn't get stamped on so much.
Ay.
I had sore toes, my love. Sometimes my toes were so sore that I had to go to the beach and just throw stones in the water for hours on end. Angry that you didn't want to do the tango with me.
May ano na siya, oh.
You gave me sleepless nights.
Ayan.
You gave me tears in my eyes.
Ikat na natin itong
anger
isa.
in my body, hurt in my
Sobrang
soul,
laki.
and yet I couldn't let you go.
Yan.
I
Ikakat
knew
na
there was
natin.
more to it.
Ayan guys. Ang lalaki ng mango. Binalatan natin yung isa. Ayan. Ang dami. Parang kalabasa kalaki. Ayan, tignan nyo yung mga hiwa-hiwa niya, oh. Ang lalaki, oh. Ayan. Grabe, oh. Ang lalaki, oh. Grabe, oh. Ang lalaki, guys. Ang laki. Ayan. Ang laki ng mango. Binigay ng pasyente namin na tagalawag. Ayan, napuno na yung isang bowl. Ayan, guys. Tignan nyo, oh. Ang lalaki, oh. Parang kalabasa na kalaki, oh. Ito yung pinakamalaking bunga ng mangga na binalatan kong napakalaki. Yan, lagyan natin ng bagong at suka. Ayan. Ayan guys, dahil sobrang kalalaki, natin, ikat ulit natin, oh. Sobra naman yan, oh. Parang kalabasa ang laki ng mango. Mas malaki pa dito yung binalatan ko, kaya ang ginamit kong ginamit ko ay yung malaking itak. Ayan, ang laki, oh. Kaya dahil malaki siya, malapad, kaya ang gawin natin ay ikat ulit natin. Ikat ulit natin ng tatlo ganito. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Para ang lalaki, oh. Grabe, oh. Ito na yata ang pinakamalaking mango na binalatan ko, guys. Ayan. Grabe, punong-puno na yung bowl. Kakat natin ulit, guys, kasi napakalaki talaga. Ayan. Sobra kalalaki. Parang parang kalabasa kalaki. Kaya ito, ganito natin. Ayan, oh, tignan nyo naman. You like puppet? Ayan guys, sobra, oh, ang dami na, oh. Puno na yung namin, malaking bowl. Lagyan natin ng suka at saka bagoong, guys. Ayan, grabe. Oh, tignan nyo naman, ang dami, oh. Napuno yung malaking bowl. Ayan, oh, grabe. Hello guys, ito na po. Nahiwa-hiwa na natin. Ayan. Ayan, punong-puno yung malaking bowl. Tapos lagyan natin ng bagoong, yung puro sabaw ng bagoong. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya. Oh, sarap, diba? Ay. Tapos apple cider vinegar.
We will get to that soon enough. JP Morgan Chase.
Sarap.
After my graduation, I interviewed for many graduate jobs within the banking and finance industry. I didn't get my dream job working as a trainee trader,
guys, oh.
but I did get a good job working for Chase Manhattan Bank, later called JP Morgan Chase.
Talagang yellow. Tikman nga natin.
I arrived with a bag full of enthusiasm. Working for an American investment bank was probably most people.
Ayan, kain na tayo, guys.
The failure rate is astronomical in the trading industry. No one is immune to statistics. Normal is a loser. There is something inherently wrong with the approach of people who are trading. We have to assume that most people in society are normal, well-adjusted human beings. Their pattern of behavior, while leaving room for personality, is most likely very similar. From cradle to grave,
Sarap.
from morning to night, from 1 year to the next, the average person is engaged in a remarkably similar pattern. Pattern of thought, pattern of action, pattern of hopes and dreams, fears and insecurities. We call that person normal. If normal is the familiar pattern, and if normal is opening an account with a CFD broker and proceeding to lose the money sooner or later,